In England, there was a couple who raised a parrot named Taboo, treating him like their own child. After the husband passed away, Grandma Nina and Taboo were left alone, and Nina cherished Taboo even more. Taboo imitated various sounds, calling out Janina when the doorbell rang and saying goodbye, my love and goodbye, see you again. One night, after living together for 55 years, Taboo sweetly said only goodbye to Nina, without adding see you again. Nina found it strange, but didn't think much of it until she discovered the next morning that Taboo had passed away peacefully. Only then did she realize that it was his final farewell, preparing for their eternal separation.